So now we're going to learn how to edit with Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is what I prefer to edit with. I have projects where I have some bumpers that I make that I can then, when I edit my podcast, I can just drag the bumpers in. So I make them separately and then I add them to each episode. And there's a way to have different projects and sequences. And there's just so much about it I really enjoy. Of course, using it for editing video as well. You can see right at the bat here, just under editing, I already have my audio here, my levels. And when we are editing audio, we're really trying to get our audio to -6 decibels. So if I push play on this, and as you can see over here on the right here, see how that went up when the mic gave me feedback and how it's kind of popping. -6 is right here. When you're
done recording, just come over here to the recording button and click on that once there.
So see how high my voice is? It's way over -6. So in Premiere, I can drag out my audio. I can really see it here. And now I can see that's really high. So I want to take this and just drag this down, bring it down a few decibels, and push play again.
You just come over here to...
That's a little below 6, and then I would bring it back up a little bit more, push play again.
The recording button.
And that is right at -6 decibels. So that's what I mean by leveling. And if I had different people, then like say if this was a person over here, then I would level them. They may be a low talker, whereas maybe I was talking too high and had to bring myself down. Either way, you can level individuals out by using these meters. And you have the cut or slice tool over here. You grab your razor blade and you can take these handles here and stretch this out to really see precisely every millisecond of your audio and really just dig in there as much as you need to. And so I can analyze this here, and let's say that this was an interruption of some sort I had to cut out and or a retake where I said, okay, let me redo that again. And then I would just come over here on the other side of that and hit my cursor or Control V command on a Mac, and then just tap that and delete it, and then drag these two together, and I got rid of something in the middle. And then all this dead air up here at the beginning, I would just take my razor blade and cut that and delete that as well. So let me get that off of there. Oops. Control Z. Let me do that one more time. Slice it and then cut it. And then I can see that I can drag my handles back here to bring my audio to the very beginning, where I can then bring my playhead here and hear it. So there's, a little bit more advanced things you can do with Premiere as well, because if I come into effects and I would come into audio effects, you can see here, these are all audio effects, and each one of them spindles down and has other effects. I don't really use these. I'm not trying to add effects to my voice, but you do have the capability, if you really want to dial in there and really see what you're working with. And you can get into time and pitch and stereo imagery and noise reduction, all that. But hopefully if we're recording with a pretty good mic and we are in a fairly quiet space, then hopefully our audio is going to be, for podcasting, going to be good right out of the microphone, and all you'll have to maybe do is adjust the volume, but not necessarily dial into all these special effects. So that's how you edit with Premiere Pro.